Download software from the official SoftwareBro website. When you start the program, you will see its main menu with a professional interface. The menu provides important details about the processor such as power, voltage, temperature, core parking, and frequency scaling. It can detect up to cores. The toolbar with various functions is located at the top. In its main menu, we find several options, the first of which is power data. Here we will find up-to-date information about the power of our computer. For example, we can change the performance status, the power status of the system, and the ability to check the temperature of the processor or its speed, among other functions. In this information, we will find all the data and information about our PE processor, so it is ideal in case we don't know them. It shows us important information such as the name of the processor, its code name, lithography, socket, and other features. Of course, in this area, we cannot modify or interact with any data since all data is offered as information only. This section is ideal for the more advanced users as we find an area of our PU performance very similar to the previous section as it only shows information without being able to interact with it. Here we will find information about the base frequency corresponding to our processor. It also shows information about the real-time frequency, number of cores, all data among others. From this section we can learn about different sections about the temperature of the PE, such as the temperature of each processor, core, or the whole set. It also shows the minimum and maximum temperatures collected in the system. To change your PC's performance according to your needs, go to the Settings menu located at the top tabs. From there, you can select any of its parameters to change your PC's performance. The first option helps you change the minimum performance SKU set to minimum performance. The second allows you to set balanced performance SKU sets balanced performance, and the third focuses on getting maximum P performance PU set to maximum performance. This software allows us to get a comprehensive overview of all the hardware characteristics of our PE, paying special attention to the PE. We can also find out information about the motherboard, RAM or video card. Monitor. This program allows us to monitor different sections of our PE such as voltage, temperature, fan speed, fan usage, utilization rate, power consumption, clock speed, and performance. Links to the programs in the video description. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.